Good morning, friends. This is CA Shauruk Ghosh from Stock Shodek. Hope all of you are fine. So let's start off with Nifty. Now, a lot of people have already pressed the panic button because Nifty, you see that on the four consecutive days in a row, Nifty is coming down. So the high point of Nifty was 15,431, and from there Nifty has made a low of 14,898. So already 500 550 points Nifty have corrected. Now the question remains whether this will continue, whether it is a crash or it is a corrections. So all those questions are coming on in everybody's mind. So how will you know that Nifty is crashing or Nifty is just a correction on a correction mode? Now, by looking at only 4 days correction, you cannot really predict whether it is a crash or correction. At the moment, Nifty looks to me to be in a correction mode. Now, if you look at this particular line, this horizontal line, this is a very significant line. Why? Because at this level, if you look at the weekly chart of Nifty, this has reached a very significant level of resistance where it is actually resting. If you look at these two weekly candle, you will realize that first one is a bullish candle. This is a candle. This candle is a bullish candle, and then the next week, that is the week which went by, it was a bearish candle. So looking at this, it looks like Nifty is exhausted. What did I say? Nifty is exhausted. So it needs a little bit of correction. So again, whether it is a crash or correction, we will not be able to really conclude by looking at only 4 days reaction. Okay, and here there are few symptoms which one should look at. Number one, now Nifty has gone below 60 RSI, which means it has corrected a bit. Second thing, if you look at, I will show you how to really look at. Now, if I take an arrow here, are you looking at one thing? Let me change it to a line chart. Then you will realize. So if you look at this, RSI from here, it is coming down. RSI needs the speed, and whereas from here the price has gone up, right? So can you see a divergence at this particular level? At this particular level, you can see a divergence in Nifty. This is how one should analyze. So from this particular level, if you look at these two level, I am marking. So that this is how you should learn stock market. Okay, it is very easy to look at it. Now there are a lot of rules of divergence. So RSI represents the speed. So when you are driving in a highway and you have to take a U-turn, if you are driving at 80 km speed, you cannot take a U-turn. So therefore, this is why the Nifty is slowing down the speed, and this is why the price is going, because naturally there was a speed. So therefore, I am seeing a big divergence in Nifty, and it is about 22 24 bar divergence. Whether it is effective or not, that we will decide later on. Let's move on to the normal candlestick chart. So therefore, from here the price has gone up, RSI has gone down, which clearly suggests that there is a divergence. Okay, number one. So therefore, correction is imminent. Okay, now at this level, I can see lot of things. What? First of all, this is the point. This was the point of strong resistance, as we have seen in the weekly chart. There is a point of resistance here, and at this point of resistance, after a green candle, it has become a red candle. So next week starting would be very, very important. Second, what? Second thing is, if you look at Nifty is actually hovering around a rising gap. Why rising gap? Now let me change the color of the candle, color of, let's say I am taking the red color. Now if you look at look at the chart in a naked eye, this is how you should really analyze. Now there is a gap, right? From here it has gapped up, right? So therefore if I see that from this level to this level here in these two candles, now there is a gap. So and like you can identify a gap here. This is a rising gap. Why it is a rising gap? Because Nifty created the gap while it is going up, right? So while going up here, from here it was going up and then created the gap. From here it was going up and then created the gap, right? So therefore at this rising gap is now going to be filled. It has not been filled. If you look at the gap here, it has not yet been filled. So therefore these are the things, basic things that we teach in our program in depth. So I'm just giving you an overall idea about how we approach to the market. So therefore this is the rising gap. When it created couple of bars ago, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. So before 13 bar ago, 13 days it could not really breach the gap. Here Nifty has not closed below this. Like if you look at this side, open OP, the Nifty close is 14,924, okay, and here the gap was, Nifty open was 15,064. So during this gap here the Nifty closes inside the gap, if you see, inside the gap. So therefore Nifty might take gap support, which is a very strong support, and even if it goes down, see, in every day Nifty created a gap and went above. So rising gap is so much that the power is so much at this moment that it does not look to be bullish unless I look to be bearish, because this Nifty is taking a gap here. So once the gap support, it might so happen that once the gap from here, Nifty can really turn up, okay, and then there is see, if this is the support, you can see this is a big support of Nifty. So therefore the scope of coming down of Nifty is limited, okay. So it's a good correction at the moment. So by looking at 4 days, we cannot take a call, because this could be an effect of divergence, okay. So therefore this is how you should approach the market. Now coming back to our analysis with the stock show setup. Okay, let us see what has been done with Bank Nifty and what is the trade that we have taken in the last Friday. Okay, so without our setup, these are the two setups: stock show setup, and we do also have the Golden Road setup. These are the two setups which is part of our basic course, and I am going to explain how we are going to trade with this. Okay, now with this setup, without the setup you don't know anything. Okay, you will not be able to trade anything, because what are the turning points, how the turning points are going to be captured, these are all will come out with the help of our setup. So let's first switch on the stock show Golden Road. Okay, now this actually one line, that is this yellow line. This yellow line signifies the strength of what? Strength of the trend. Okay, if it is a downtrend, and if it is also coming down, which means the trend is not strong, it is weak. Okay, from this level to this level, it was going up, so that trend is sorry, this is from this level to this level, the black line has come down, which means the trend is not strong. But from this particular level, if you look at this level, from this level it was rising, which means what? From this level, if it was rising, means from this level our trend was also very strong. What was the trend here? our the trend was from here to here, it was strongly coming down. So this is how we identify the trend, because trend is always a friend in stock market. Now the trade which you have taken, Nifty has actually gapped down. Are you seeing it closed on you look at the date here, date is 19th, this is the first candle on 19th, and what has happened, Nifty has actually gapped down from here to here. It closes this is the open high close lows line, it closes C for close, it closes in the previous day 36,610 Bank Nifty, and then if I look at the next day, it opened at 36,395. So which means it was about 300-400 points down it opened. Okay, now let us switch on our setup. Once should I buy here, should I sell here, should I buy here, how will I know? With the help of our setup. So let's switch on the setup. Once we have our setup ready, you see, let's maximize this. Once our setup ready, what our setup is saying? Our setup is saying only one thing. It has, you have a your diamond candle. Now you have a diamond candle, that's all right, but you could not really trade it. Why? Because it was actually gapped down, you could not trade it. So okay, no problem, we will leave it like it. So we will wait for another opportunity, because during the day you will get all opportunity. Once you have this trade, Nifty is coming down, so the red line is also coming down, means strength is going to be weak. The negative trend is going to be weak. Okay, at this level, the trend from here, the trend has actually weakened, because the black line has started coming down. Okay, that means the downtrend has been arrested. Once this is done, we were waiting, we were doing nothing. Okay, at this level we were doing nothing. So what we should do, we will wait for the opportunity. Opportunity is the Nicola rule should be satisfied. Now our students know at what level we should do the trading. So at this particular level, all the Neel, Kala and Lal line was satisfied. Okay, so now here if you look at this level, the two lines, Nicola line, here it is signified by this blue color, Neel and Kala, and Lal is also merged here, you are not able to see because it has actually gone. Now let's see, just a minute, let me also okay. Now, so now you are able to see that let's switch on the Nicola rule. Our advanced setup says that since you are actually getting a pink candle, special candle, you can always take a trade at this level. But our Nicola rule has not been satisfied here. Okay, our Nicola rule was satisfied at this level, as a short trade, because the Neel, Kala, Lal, Neel, Kala, Lal was arranged in a proper manner, and here you got a black diamond, so you could have shorted a Bank Nifty at this level. You have to be disciplined. See, if I break the rule here, then thereafter you will be getting doji. So therefore, after taking an entry, your options or price will come down. So therefore, it will be eaten away. It will not be a profitable trade. Here also it will not be a profitable trade. Why? Because again Nicola rule has not been satisfied, so it will be going sideways. So we will only take confirm trade, and you see at this level, so beautiful, you get a diamond, Nicola satisfied, and you got this move. So if you would have shorted here at 36,370, and then the market has reached up to 35,620, which means you could have earned 1,000 point one day, and this is not fluke. Our system has been given you, you could have taken an entry here, you could have taken an entry here, you could have taken an entry here. So it has given you ample opportunity to trade. And how will I get out the trade at this particular level? I will not here I will not get out the trade. Why? Because the slope is coming down. Okay, so therefore I will get out the trade at this level where the Nil and Kala has actually turned up. Nil has actually turned up. So therefore you could have taken 1000 points, at least 800 to 900 points you could have actually taken. So this is the power of our setup. This is the students visually, you don't have to know what is the pink candle, what is the red candle. So therefore it has to appear in the right place, and you should know the rule Nikala to get this done. Okay, get this trade done, and you could have made lot of money. Okay, with this 1000 point, even if you have taken one lot, you could have made 25,000 rupees. 25 lot, and one lot would cost you around 7,000, and then you could have ended the day with 32,000 rupees. So there was not at all a problem. So every stock, every setup will work like that. And this is a son father setup, which is grandfather, son, and your father, grandfather, and son strategy. So therefore, what I will do is, this is not part of our free software. So this is additional software. So this is where you actually also get a divergence identified. There is a bullish divergence. There is a bullish divergence here. Why? Because if you look at the RSI speed was going up, and then the price was coming down. So here at this particular level, this was the candle. Okay, just a minute. This was the candle. At this candle, you got your RSI bullish divergence, and then with this divergence you could have taken, that is, price is going up, speed is going up, price is coming down. This is the level where we should enter, and you could have taken a ride of this trade. So therefore there are a lot of rules that visually our students decide what to do and what not to do. Okay, now we have taken a trade in State Bank of India, so we will come to that later on. Now we have also have a setup which is a special setup, where we exactly know that these kind of indicators which will give me this this diamond candle and the lightning speed. What is lightning speed? Lightning speed is a candle, is the stock where actually a explosive move is going to occur. So therefore, what are the stocks? If I know in advance that these are explosive moves, then it is very easy to catch the situation. Okay. Now, let's say in this particular case, we have these are all flexible inputs, right? In a 5 minutes candle, if you are an intraday trader, you can choose, and at different time frame you can choose depending on the nature of your trade. If I am a 5 minutes if I am an intraday trader, I will look at 5 minutes. This candle also has the same feature, that you can always look at that particular stock, which stock is going to have move. The explosive move, is a move where this candle actually gives you, like, let's move to 15 minutes if we get something. So this candle actually gives you the ability to find out what are the candles which meets very special conditions, where you can have a very, very high profitable trade. Okay, this is such a candle. Okay, at a 15 minutes level, because we have chosen here at 15 minutes. Let's see what if any stock is coming up. And in this particular candle, you have an explosive move. 15 minutes we have not got. Let's say 1 hour, do I have anything? Let us see. Okay, so this is where you can really find out your trade in advance. In a longer time frame, if you have any trade here, then you can focus on that particular trade on that particular day at that particular moment, and you can do a trade. So basically, based on this scanner, the State Bank of India, we have an explosive move. So let us move to State Bank of India. Now what is the explosive move? I will show you how it is to be done. Explosive moves are the moves. Let's say this is a very special setup where actually you have this is the setup which financial institutions have been using our setup. I will explain this setup a little bit. Let me explain the explosive move. Explosive move is an area where you can expect a big movement in 5 minutes chart, because this is where we have chosen a 5 minutes chart, ICICI Bank and Axis Bank. So what does it do? If you look at this particular chart, see this particular line in advance is actually giving you that this is a very explosive move, at this level it is going to come up. So if you look at our normal setup, you will get X here, you have not got diamond. So therefore 1, 2, 3 candle, if you get explosive move, State Bank of India is a beautiful stock to trade on Monday morning. Okay, because this explosive move has come in the 5 minutes chart and at 15:25 market close. So therefore 3 consecutive move we have got. Okay, now in this particular trade, if you look at how we have taken a State Bank of India trade, this is a 3000 rupees lot. Okay, so I knew at this level the explosive move was coming. So therefore it has got few features that I can see as a speedometer. When you actually send a satellite in the orbit, you should know the health parameter, right? You are a stock market doctor. So therefore at 5 minutes, it is gray, means there is not much trended, it's mostly sideways, and these are all negative. So a very dark negative, and 60 is halka negative. So which means we are in a higher time frame, it is halka negative, but 15 minutes, 30 minutes and and 60 minutes, these are negative. So this actually is giving me a very big opportunity for a short trade. Okay, so what we did is on 19th we have a special flag diamond. Now this candle you could not have traded because this was the first candle of the day. Fantastic. Okay, no problem, I could not do that trade. Okay, then as we go by now I got a support here. Now once I take this these indicators, these are all very valuable indicators which we have created, and a lot of big guys are actually taking it, and these indicators are very special indicators which failure rate is very less. So like at this particular level there is a perpendicular move, so we could have caught this particular move, but we will not trade the trade. I will explain you in a simple way. I will first stick to this some ground rules. Here you see this is explosive green, explosive move is coming. This is 2 red means or 2 green means this in a normal chart your Heikin-Ashi candle suggesting that it has turned into red. So therefore at this particular level, if I see this is an explosive move is coming up, okay, and even if it is coming if there is a false signal, it will give you a false signal reminder, so that you could have actually taken actually checked it here. For example, if I click, just leave your mouse here, if it is a false breakout, if ADX is lower low, so here the trend is higher high, so therefore it is not a false breakout. So the system is telling you please check before you really put in your money. So at this particular level all my Nikkara rule was satisfied. Okay, and then a State Bank has a 3000 rupees lot. So from here the stock was 411, it has reached to down below at 407. So basically 11 to 7, 4 rupees, 12,000 rupees in 15 minutes. It's a 5 minutes chart, right? So in 15 minutes you have got 12,000 rupees. Okay, let's see. Now at this particular level what is happening is, now what I have got here, my dream trade is here. In fact we have taken a trade at this particular level. So what has happened is Just look at it, so easily we can do a trading. Here, you know, I am seeing a down slope on a, but you know, it was coming down a little bit, okay, and I have seen Bank Nifty also was not bullish at this moment. It was not bearish, but it was not bullish, okay. Now here you have a contradictory signal, explode green, explode red, and then you have got another top up called, this is your Heikin-Ashi candle has changed. In a normal chart, if you get this kind of Heikin-Ashi signal, you don't have to, you know, open too many things. So you have got a confirmation here. Then another confirmation is, now if you look at this is a red, you know, this signal was red, a red signal. So therefore RSI was red, you actually got a red signal here. So, and then you have also confirmation of a great move, that is explosive move. Explosive move is this gray bar. This is actually giving you an advance. Now in, you know, in the next coming bars, it is predictive bar, okay. So it is coming, I am going to come down, and then this is an RSI meter. So at this level, RSI below 60s are all weak. 44 15 minutes chart, 60 minutes chart 31. So you know, my grandfather father was 60, grandfather is Delhi, and your son is 5 minutes. So therefore all are below 60 or at 44. So it was looking weak because the slope was coming down. So what we have to do is, we actually have taken a call at the green candle. We have taken a short of it was about 409 rupees, okay. So let's say we have shorted at 408 rupees, okay, and then held on to the trade. What was showing here, you had a, you know, comparatively you have got 1 2 3 4 5 you know, flag diamond, which is a very rare piece, and at this level all the signals were actually indicating that it was coming down, okay. And then your RSI speedometer says, yes, I am ready to coming down. I am coming down because of the statistics is saying that I have no reason to go up. So therefore, and if you look at, you know, this explosive move, we have no doubt, because this is the mool mantra making money, that I should have an explosive move signal, you know, predictor to tell me that yes, you know, there has to be a great move that is coming up. So at this level, if you have taken 408 and you see the slope is always coming down until here at this level, you have a Bollinger Band inside outside. Now if you do not know inside outside, this is something that, you know, we teach our students. There is a volatility divergence is ending here. So market was so volatile, it was actually, you know, price was actually kissing this gray line and coming down very, very sharply until this time where the stock closes inside this band. So which is called the volatility has ended, okay. So therefore this is how you should take a trade. And at this level we went out, we actually in fact closed at this candle 395. So 408 to 395 is actually 13 rupees. 13 rupees is 30, you know, how much you have earned. 13 rupees in a 3000 lot size is 39 rupees, 39,000. So this is so easy. Now, you know, people think that if it is so easy, how I cannot make money. Everybody would have made money, but everybody does not have this software and predictive capability. That's the reason everybody is not making money. And you can also, you know, also track lot of things where you know, people would be really you know, they would be able to predict a lot of things in advance. You know, we have a bull trap, we have a bear trap thing, which actually tells you that you know, it tells you in advance that you know, a market is going to reverse from here, from a particular level. So therefore, you know, this is how actually you have to trade. And then, you know, once you know the trick of doing things, then you know that you know, how much you can go, okay. So therefore it is very easy to ride, and at this level, all other parameters that we teach, you can clearly visible, you understand this pink line, you understand this slope. So visually the software does everything for you. And if you look at this level, your Nikola has not been satisfied for upward journey, but then if you have explosive green here, so explosive green, what is it saying? False breakout, check karo. If ADX is lower low, yes, it is lower low, so I will not take this, call. Why? Because then after taking this call, it is actually telling me in advance that ये check करो, ये अगर condition satisfied नहीं हुआ, here ADX is this line, lower low है, तो हमने नहीं करेगा even if I have got this signal. So after that, three bad red candle that has come. So so blindly we don't trade. We have ground rules and we exactly know what is to be done. We will wait for a good candle here. Probably I will look for a black flag diamond here, and the price has to be above this. Then I can ride the tape at trade upward. So this is how we actually trade. And this setup is a very expensive setup. These two will cost you 75,000. These two setup, and with this we are also giving a free thing. What is the free thing here? You see, trend is a friend, right? So therefore, at this particular level, you get lot of trend alert. Let's say now if I switch it off, so you have to have this setup with you, otherwise you will not be able to really catch. So whenever there is a change, it gives you a signal here and leave it. And therefore you see how the major trend line, blue line, was a very major trend line, and it is by the thickness you can measure. So you can really visually check up whether you are going in the right direction or wrong direction. So it has broken all trend line. You are trying to defend the trend line and you could not do it. And then thereafter the trend has reversed here. So therefore you have another signal. Okay, now my system is telling trend is reversing. When the trend is reversing, it does not react immediately. So then once I have this information, I will switch off this and then again switch it on. So therefore now I am in a mood that I exactly know that the trend would be here. You can always together you can keep it open, but it will be clumsy. So I normally switch it off because I don't need it. So now once, and it has also broken that close above the trend line. So therefore here I will take utmost precaution that I should have a green candle here which is above it, and then on Monday if I start having a green candle, then I can move out. I can take a buy call, okay, if BNF is also bullish. And this candle also gives you instant information that at 395 level we had a 17 bar support. Okay, this is in the support section. We do not have a resistance level here. So if you change the parameter here to 15-minute chart, you will get a resistance. So these are all so dynamic. At 15-minute level, if you see at 427, you have a resistance. So therefore from here I know exactly up to 447 ये जा सकता है. So therefore up to 447 जा सकता है, तो up to 447 मैंने ये करूँगा, ट्रेड करूँगा, कोई इशू नहीं है. So therefore this is how you should really this is how you should really do a trading at 50 bar resistance. So therefore 427, this resistance at last 50 bars it could not cross. So this is a good resistance. So therefore I don't have to do anything manually. I get all these informations like a pilot. When I am flying, I should have all this information. So again quickly I go back to the old chart, and then I know that next day if it is bullish, I will take a journey up to 427. Okay, so in one day it might not get, then at least you should start moving. So on the back of my mind I have the support resistance level to really trade. Okay, now let us talk about our courses. Our basic course, for any of our course you do not need any prior knowledge. Okay, for our course only we teach these things from visually. You can always look at it and trade, and there are a lot of signals that will start coming in, and then you have to respect those signals and you have to believe the process. follow the process, not the profit. Profit will be a byproduct automatically if you look at the process, because this is the sentiment of billions of people. A lot of billions of people are trading. So therefore system catches the sentiment, aggregates this, and then throws results. So I don't have to think too much on this. Okay. So this basic course would cost you cost you 30,000 rupees, and that's a 3-day course where we also teach there are 256 candlesticks pattern, and we only teach 10, and that is enough. You can understand the picture, and if you understand the picture, you can do the trading, and you can do everyday trading for regular income. Okay. The trading setup here also you will get this software, these two these two things, StockShow setup and the golden ride. Okay, these are the two things you will get. This you will not get, your StockShow ride you will not get. Okay, you will only get this these two. You will get a StockShow ride here, StockShow ride. Okay, oh sorry, it is here. So this particular, okay. And StockShow golden ride you will not get. This is a StockShow ride. Now these two software you will get, and then this is a separate this is a separate indicator which actually you will get it separately, you have to buy. So this StockShow setup for 30,000 we give a lot of support and basic things so that you can do trading with a small capital. You can take SS2 course, that is our option mastery course, which is again very simple, and we do not discuss anything about Greek, implied volatility, open interest, gamma, theta, vega. So whenever you open any YouTube channel, you will get all these nonsense, not nonsense, all these concepts which are really not required, because we only follow something which makes money. Okay, so we are not going to give any examination to know all these things. So therefore all these required concepts are built in our system, so you don't have to do anything. This is the course, this will cost you 55,000. This is a 4 days course, and our master course covers 1,50,000 rupees Fibonacci course, where where actually how will you know at this level, at this particular level the market would be crashing. Okay, let's say we move to Bank Nifty, let's say Nifty. Okay, now if you go to Nifty, okay, now let's say Nifty. Now whenever you talk about Nifty, how will you know that from here it will come down? Let's say let's move to the daily chart. Okay, now how will you know that whether Nifty at this level, at this particular level, let's switch it off. So what you do is, how will you know that at this level, when you are here at this level, how will you know that stock will go here? So therefore these are the things which actually we teach a lot of people. Okay, no, so look at this. Now when I am here, let me delete it. I will show you that how will you know when you are here, the market will be going here. Okay, so therefore we can always we have an internal system to really measure that at this level stock would be reacting. So therefore at this level, I know when I was here, I know exactly that the Nifty will be touching here at this level. So therefore I will buy things at cheaper price, and then I will sell it at higher price. So similarly, how will you know that here this is why the stock has reacted? Now how will you know that this will be the area where you can have some reaction? It is very easy. Again, we can next time when Nifty is actually reacting, it will react here. Okay, so therefore these are the predictive things that we really, you know, that lays down the foundation of everything. You know, here at this level Nifty has actually, you know, reacted. Nifty has actually reverse here. So how will you know? There are so many techniques, but no, that is available here, that you can always know that, you know, if the stock reacts, stock will be reacting from a particular level. Okay, so now if I look at this particular level, so when I was here, I knew that the stock would be resisting here. So therefore, if I take an option trade here, I know exactly which at this price, that is 35,600 put I will take. So at this, when the Nifty was 35,900, I will be taking 35,600, and this is a scientific measurement. So this is how you should actually measure that, you know, what are the things I should take and what are the things I should not take, and then the stocks from what level it will be reacting and why it will be reacting. These are all destined. Now if I am looking at a 5-minute chart, even it is equally applicable for all the charts. Everything is, you know, you can determine, and then everything means level. All are levels driven. So therefore, you know, when I am here, how will I know at this particular level the stock would be reacting? Here it is very simple for us. When at this particular level the stock was actually reacting, you know, our system will tell you that stock will be reacting here. That's simple. It is that simple. So therefore we can always, you know, measure the traps in advance. So when I was here, I know that if there is a reversal, I will take a call of this, because in predict here you are not knowing that on 18 January at 15:15 that the stock will be reaching, and on 21st January 10:15, but stock will definitely will be reaching here. This is a, you know, this is an evidence, hardcore evidence. So therefore those are the things we give to people to really explore the power of trading. Okay, so this is called bull trap and bear trap, and this is a very high priced thing, but you know, you can invest it for life, and then, you know, for life you can enjoy. This indicator will cost you 50,000 rupees, and this is so easy, because traps are there everywhere in the life, everywhere in the market, and this is applicable if you know in advance that market is going to make a U-turn there. So you can always make money, and our students, you know, if serious students can recover the entire cost within 7 trading days. It is such a powerful thing. Now coming to other indicators, our explosive scanner would cost you 20,000 rupees. These are all price points that has been given for our students. You know, this particular scanner, that is the flag diamond scanner. This flag diamond scanner would cost you, flag diamond scanner would cost you 10,000 rupees. For outsider it is 20,000 rupees. Outsider is 20,000 rupees. And other scanners are diamond scanners. Then, you know, multi-frame RSI, which I have already shown. This is father grandfather stuff. This will cost you 10,000 rupees separately. So these are the things that you can take, and the original the big guys setup. So this is the big guys setup, you know, where it will cost you 75,000 rupees. But mind it, this is a technique which you know, very people know about it, and very few people would be actually teaching you this kind of stuffs, because, you know, it needs a lot of mathematical calculation to understand predictly, because otherwise everybody could have predicted. So how I trade like this, because at this level I know if my Nikala rule is satisfied and other things are satisfied. Let's say I know the support resistance level from here, and then I only just switch it off, and for knowing all these things, I need only this. So once this is done, my meters are all ready. I'm on a 5 minutes chart. Even on the 5 minutes charts is equally it is applicable. So at this particular level, if I look at this, these are all pure mathematical calculations. So therefore, these are all can be measured. So how much it can travel. So there are certain ground rules, like here there are ground rules that what you should do and what you should not do. So by roll of a mouse, rollover of a mouse, you can know and you can do the trading. So trading is easy. So therefore, if you take it very seriously, you can do work from home, and then you can enjoy these kind of products. And these are all really well thought of, engineered products, which really has its own value. So thank you very much. This is CS Arup Ghosh signing off from Stocks Today. Have a good day. Bye bye.